Okay. So we did the banana thing with Frank. We had an idea for an egg. So we are going to which one? Pick one. That one. Yeah. Cold. Feel it. Okay.
Or SpongeBob.
Okay, here. I have an egg.
I'm scared. How long do we put it in there?
Like for a minute.
Oh. Brownies.
No.
Yummy brownies.
Go, egg, go!
Don't hurt yourself. Oh, it's a ladybug. Buzz.
It's cracked.
Buzz.
I can't see, I'm too short. Oh, you can so see it up there. How's the weather?
It's like hard boiled.
Really hard boiled.
That's awesome. It smells like egg. Oh,
It's
wow.
dead. Ew, it smells really gross.
Oh my
a
God.
worm. Poor microwave.
Aww. Microwave needs a hug.
I'll pour brownie knife.
Aw. Brownies.
Get ahead of brownies.
Yep.
Well, that's about it. So,
Bye. That's not peace.
oh well, FYI.
Goodbye and goodbye.